A passenger plane flying from Azerbaijan's Baku to Grozny in Russia's Chechnya, carrying over 100 people, crashed near Aktau airport in Kazakhstan. The crash reportedly caused a fire at the site. While the exact toll number remains unclear, at least 25 survivors have been reported, with 22 hospitalized. Haribabu Kambhampati has been appointed as the new governor of Odisha after Raghubar Das tendered his resignation from the post on Tuesday. Das served the state as the governor for 14 months. Prime Minister Narendra Modi released a commemorative coin and stamp on the 100th birth anniversary of former PM Atal Bihari Vajpayee today at Khajuraho. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi and several other BJP leaders Wednesday observed the Good Governance Day and the 100th birth anniversary of former India Prime Minister Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The celebration program took place at the party headquarters in Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi on Wednesday said the second installment of Subhadra Yojana will be disbursed in March next year. So far, 80 lakh women have received money under the Subhadra Yojana. 1 crore women will be included in the Yojana by January, the Chief Minister said. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi on Tuesday lashed out at Congress for politicizing the statement made by Union Home Minister Amit Shah on B.R. Ambedkar during a recent speech in Parliament. He condemned the Congress for distorting Shah's statement for political purposes. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan said on Wednesday that Sambalpur will be tuberculosis-free by 2025. The Union Minister stated this at an event in Sambalpur and gave away nutrition kits to TB patients. India will take on defending champions and arch-rivals Pakistan in Dubai on February 23 in the Champions Trophy 2025, as the International Cricket Council announced the schedule on Tuesday for the marquee tournament, set to begin on February 19. The final will be played on March 9. At least 15 people, including women and children, have been killed in Pakistani airstrikes in Afghanistan, with the death toll expected to rise further, according to local media reports. The strikes carried out late on Wednesday. Afghanistan caretaker government condemned the attack and pledged retaliation. Jasprit Bumrah has solidified his top spot in the ICC Men's Test bowling rankings. Bumrah's rating points stand at a career high 904. With this, Bumrah equaled the record set by former spinner R. Ashwin in December 2016 and became the joint highest rated Indian Test bowler in ICC history.
जदि आपंक आम भिडी भल लगा तेब आम चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने को जमा भी भूलु नहीं।